You know, sometimes it's tough not to get discouraged. Glass is a fickle mistress, it is. Today I was working on a piece, a custom job for a friend, and you know, some days everything that can go wrong does go wrong, which resulted in this. And in reality, that whole effect is very cathartic. Now, this really was kind of a gorgeous piece. And it came off the handle. I blew it out a little wrong. I fixed that. I managed to recover from everything. Another thing. I'm videoing this whole thing, which is why I have the inset video. My daughter walks in and ends up with this long conversation with my daughter, which kind of fucks up my video. And hell, I put a dent in my stainless steel. The funny part is that the bowl of this, the actual bulb, was put that dent in stainless steel. That part's fine. Busted the fucking stem off all the hell. The final straw was the bowl hole stretched, and then I fixed it, and then I pushed it and it stretched again, and then I just fucking lost it. It's quite cathartic sometimes to smash things. The fact that I did that much damage to that piece of stainless steel is kind of amazing. But don't get discouraged. Some days suck. They just do. Sometimes trying to do stuff sucks. I'm gonna spend the next hour cleaning broken glass up off my floor. You can't really see it, I guess. But pieces of that fucker are everywhere. So it's gonna take me a minute to clean it. But to take my own advice, I'm not getting discouraged about it. Instead, I'm getting to work. We fuck up, realize something was wrong, we fix it, and we move on. Like I said, glass is a fickle mistress. Some days, she's out for blood. Today for me was one of those days. And yet here I am, getting ready for tomorrow. Don't give up.